Good morning, children. God bless you. Hope you all are keeping well. Now we are going to study our English grammar.
In my previous video, I explained you about indefinite and continuous tense. Now we will do perfect tense. Perfect tense, as it is clear from its name that the work is completed perfectly before some time. The same sentence I am taking which I have taken in indefinite and continuous tense. In singular, when we will make the same sentence in perfect tense, then it will become like this. He has played. In plural, they have played. So what is the sequence here? What is the order here? First we have to write the subject, then has have, and then third form of verb. In past tense, same sentence. He had played. Plural, they had played. In present perfect tense, we have seen it is written has and have both, because in singular we are using has and in plural we are using have. But in past tense, we have to use had with singular and plural both. Here the order is subject plus had plus third form of verb. Now future tense. Future perfect tense. In singular we will write he will have played. Plural, they will have played. Here you could see that with he will also we are using have, and with they will also we are using have, because with will we are using only have. With will and shall we are using have, not has. The order here, subject plus will shall plus have plus third form of verb. Now let us come to negative sentence. The same sentence I will make negative. He has played will be changing to he has not played. They have not played. Now subject is has have plus not. Now the order is subject plus has have plus not plus third form of verb. Next, they have not played. Now sequence is subject plus has have plus not plus third form of verb. Now we will make negative of past tense. So he had not played. They had not played. The sequence here, the order here, subject plus had plus not plus V3. The next one is future perfect tense. He will not have played. They will not have played. The order here, subject plus will shall plus not plus have plus V3. Now why do we use these perfect tense? When the work is completed perfectly before some time, then we use perfect tense. And now let us come to interrogative. Present perfect tense. Interrogative of present perfect tense. Has he played? The same sentence we are using. Has he played? Have they played? Has have plus subject plus third form of verb and question mark. Now past. Past perfect tense, when we are making interrogative. Had he played? Had they played? Had plus subject plus third form of verb plus question mark. This is the order here. Now third one is future perfect tense. We are going to make interrogative of it. Will he have played? Will they have played? Will shall plus subject plus have plus third form of verb. Perfect continuous tense. You can understand by its name when we will see the name perfect and continuous also. So the work is started before some time and still it is continuous. We are using has have, been, has been, have been when the work is started at some point of time and still it is continuous. Singular, present perfect continuous tense. In singular, he has been playing. Plural, they have been playing. Subject plus has have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing. Now past perfect continuous tense. Singular, he had been playing. Now what is had been? Just now we have seen that have been means that the work started at some point of time and still it is continuous. Had been means that work started at some point of time and ended and next work started. So singular, he had been playing. Plural, they had been playing. And the order is subject plus had plus been plus first form of verb plus ing. Now future tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Singular, he will have been playing. Plural, they will have been playing. And the order is subject plus will shall plus have been plus first form of verb and ing. Let us see negative of the same sentence. Here we don't have to do much changes. Only after has we have to put not. He has not been playing. They have not been playing. And the order is subject plus has have plus not plus been plus first form of verb and ing. He had not been playing. They had not been playing. Subject had plus not plus been plus first form of verb and ing. He will not have been playing. They will not have been playing. Again the order is subject plus will shall plus have been plus first form of verb and ing. Let us make an interrogative of the same sentence. He has been playing. So we will make interrogative of the same sentence in this way. Has he been playing? Have they been playing? The order is has have plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing. Now when we are making past perfect tense, interrogative of past perfect tense, see how we are making that. Had he been playing? Had they been playing? After that, let us see the order of the sentence. So what we did, first of all, had plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing. We know that we are putting ing with first form of verb only. Now future perfect continuous tense. So here, he have been playing. When we will make interrogative of this sentence, we will make it in this way. Will he have been playing? Will they have been playing? Now order of the sentence is will shall plus subject plus have been plus first form of verb and ing.
Thank you all for watching my video.